What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how to use a VPN on your iPhone XS, XS Max, or XR. All right, so VPNs are good for three main reasons, which I always like to point out. You know, they're good for privacy and security. It makes it impossible for Google to track you. You can download movies, torrents, pretty much anything without getting hit up by your service provider and getting flagged for, illegal activity. And then, of course, you can access restricted websites not available in your country. So basically, what you're going to be getting is just more privacy and security. And you could do things that you normally couldn't, if you weren't using a VPN. Now, I always like to give an example of MovieBox because, for myself personally, I download and stream lots of movies. And in the past, whether I was using MovieBox, Popcorn Time, the Pirate Bay, there's been situations where I've gotten hit up and red flagged for, illegally downloading movies. Now, that's just one circumstance. There are other reasons you'd want to be using a VPN, but personally for me, that's what's happened to me. So the one I'm going to be showing you is a subscription-based VPN. It's NordVPN. I've been using this service for over a year now. They're pretty much like my go-to. But they are a paid service. They cost roughly the same amount as Netflix, but, it's like 10 or 11 bucks to use them. Anyways, I'm going to log into them. I'm going to show you how it works in just a second. Wanted to pull up their website, though, and I just got to say, the reason I love Nord, especially for iPhones, is they've got a great app. They've got one of the best mobile apps for, easy connecting. Honestly, it's pretty incredible, their app. So basically, you have two ways that you can connect. You can find the little dots on the map, which are basically just different locations across the world, or you can sort alphabetically, based on different countries. You can just kind of search. I kind of enjoy the map feature. I think it's pretty cool. You can literally go anywhere in the world. Let's say I want to connect to Argentina. I have no idea why I'd want to, but let me just say that I want to access a website in Argentina, but it's not letting me. All right, so now I'm connected. You're going to see a new IP address for your iPhone, and you'll see this live connection that comes up in real time. It just shows you, that you are connected and you're good to go. If you want to disconnect, you just click the disconnect button, and so forth. Another thing I got to point out is that, whenever I've used Nord to connect, it stays connected. So you don't have to worry about disconnection issues. That's one of the problems with a lot of the free VPN services on the App Store. They typically, are either filled with ads and don't work or just don't work. Okay, so anyways, literally for the cost of 10 or 11 bucks, you'd be good to go with setting up your first VPN on your iPhone if you've never done this before. It's literally as easy as the click of a button. There's really nothing to it. Anyways, I'll have a link in the description for Nord if you want to check them out. Please hit that like and share. Thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see y'all later.